welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be completing my Easter saving challenge, and also I have some happy mail. And guess what, you guys? I actually won a giveaway. So if you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here, and the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time. I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones that are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties. Those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging and I do budgeting, but I do that off camera. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, this past weekend, I had to help my older sister, Pam, with a church event. You guys, my sister, she is a pastor's wife. So my brother-in-law, he's the pastor and they have their own church. And so, sweeties, not only is my sister a first lady, she's also a missionary. And also, too, you guys, she also caters a lot of church events as well. So, as usual, when she have a catering event, she always asks me to come and help out. And so I always do. So this weekend, you guys, I had so much fun. We decorated the church. It was so nice, you guys. It was just beautiful. And so the theme was a tea party. So my sister had brought out all her china. She had the macarons, the croissants. We had chicken. It was kind of like a tea brunch type thing. So we had chicken. We had bacon, eggs, sausage, biscuits, and gravy. We had all this other stuff, honey. I can't remember what all we had, but we had to, cook, and we had to decorate, y'all, but it turned out beautiful and wonderful. And you guys, once again, I had so much fun. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome rest of the week. All right, sweeties. So the first thing I want to go with you is, you guys, I actually won a giveaway. I am so excited. I was excited about you guys. It was unexpected. I didn't have no idea I was going to win. So, sweeties, the giveaway was from Edie on the Move. You guys, she has a YouTube channel. Go check it out. And so she had a giveaway for her 200, subscribers. And so, you guys, the winner received, guess what? $100. I was so surprised and shocked that I actually won, you guys. So, sweeties, I just wanted to let you guys know that I did receive the money, and I had already placed this money, has already been counted for. All right, sweeties. So I am going to go over with you the happy mail. So, sweeties, I ended up on Instagram like I always do, you guys, and I saw this company, and they are called Cute NeNi and Things. So, sweeties, I absolutely love their envelopes. I was so amazed on how these envelopes look. Honey, I had to purchase some. So, sweeties, I am going to show you the packaging that it came in. So it came in this. So I blacked out the information. And so at the top over here, she has her sticker on it. And the sticker is called Cute NeNi Things. And so this is what the front looks like. And so this is what the back of the packaging looks like. And it says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." So this label is in like a peachy color, and the writing is in rose gold. So, sweeties, I am going to put this packaging on the side. And so, sweeties, this is what I end up receiving. And so let's go over everything. All right, sweeties. So the first thing that I want to show you is I was gifted this beautiful cash breakdown card, and this is laminated. And so it's outlined in purple. I absolutely love it. And so the back of it, look, isn't this cute, you guys? So I absolutely love it. And this is Hello Kitty balloons. And those of you guys that are new to my channel, I absolutely love Hello Kitty. So also too, sweeties, she had placed, it's kind of like card stock. I want to say this could be as a dashboard. And so that's what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to punch holes in it, and I'm going to be placing this inside one of my binders. And so this is the name of the company. It's called Cute NeNi Things. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So sweeties, so this is what the front of this particular item looks like, and then this is what the back of it looks like. There's nothing on the back. So once again, sweeties, I think I'm going to be using this as a dashboard. So sweeties, these are my beautiful envelopes, you guys. So you guys, she makes envelopes that are, you know, they're characters. So these are the Brat dolls. So I end up getting two different sets of envelopes. I have the Brat dolls and I have the Hello Kitty Pusheen. So sweeties, let's go over each of these envelopes. All right, sweeties. So the first one I want to go over with you, the category, it is self-care. And so once again, these are the Brat dolls. I absolutely love them, and I can't think of their names, y'all. So sweeties, I absolutely love them. They are so unique. Their style is unique, and I just love how their makeup looks. And so when I saw these on her Instagram, that she had these, once again, honey, I had to get them. So, sweeties, so what's unique about these envelopes, not only are they made out of characters, but it's also, they have tabs on it. And so when you turn it on the side, this is how you stick the monies in. And sweeties, the quality of these envelopes are very nice. So once again, this category, it is self-care. The next category, it is hair. And so here it is on the side. And so I absolutely love this particular envelope. And I love the 4 girls that are on there. Their outfits are super cool. And their hairstyles and their makeup, I love them. And they are awesome. The next category, it is perfume, you guys. So I was thinking that since I love perfume, you guys, I love perfume. Like, for example, I love Gucci, you know, the brands, different brands, you guys, from Gucci. I love Prada, Michael Kors, all those other brands, you guys. I absolutely love perfume. And I say, you know what? I need to, oh, you know what? Joe Malone, too. I love Joe Malone as well. So I said, you know what? I need to get a sinking fund envelope for perfume. So I want to start saving up because, honey, it's time for me to purchase some more. So, sweeties, I absolutely love this particular Brat doll. She is super cute. And I love her pants, her shirt. And she has her makeup on. It's so pretty in her hair. And I love her shoes. And it looks like she's holding a compact. And she has a makeup brush. And it looks like, honey, she's finishing up her makeup. Absolutely love it. The next one, it is Vision. And so, sweeties, the reason why I had gotten a sinking fund for Vision is because it's time for me to get, you know, I wear contacts. And so it's time for me to, you know, purchase some new ones. And so I said, well, let me make a sinking fund out of, you know, at that so I can start saving for it. So I absolutely love this particular Brat doll. It looks like she's got her robe on with her pretty little shoes and her makeup and her hair. I absolutely love this one as well. So, sweeties, that completes the Brat series. And so now we are going to go to the Hello Kitty Pusheen series. So, sweeties, once again, I absolutely love Hello Kitty. And so these are the envelopes. And so the first one, it is the category, it is office supplies, and it's labeled over here. And so, sweeties, those of you guys that knows me, I absolutely love office supplies. I love writing pens, markers, pencils, Post-it notes, planners, clipboards, everything under the sun, honey, that is office supplies. I absolutely love it. So, sweeties, I absolutely love this envelope. And so this envelope is outlined and out. Excuse me, I can't talk. It's outlined in light pink. I got it right that time. So, sweeties, you got the Hello Kitty and the Pusheen. You got them holding a bouquet of pretty balloons. I absolutely love this particular envelope. The next envelope, the category is gas, and you have Hello Kitty. She is in a Pusheen costume. Super cute, and around it, it is a beautiful pink color. The next one, it is Brat, and I'm sorry, I thought this was the last Brat, the other envelopes, but actually this is the last Brat envelope. So, sweeties, this is savings, and these are some beautiful, pretty Brat dolls. Look how they look. They are stylish, honey. They have their beautiful outfits with their purses, honey, and their shoes. Their hair is done. I absolutely love this one as well. So, sweeties, the next one, it is groceries. And so I absolutely love this one. And so this is outlined in yellow. You got Pusheen at the top eating a blue donut. And at the bottom, you got Hello Kitty eating a blue donut as well. The next category, it is spending. And so you have the spending on the side of the tab. And so you got Hello Kitty on this side. And then you have Pusheen at the bottom on this side. Absolutely love this particular envelope. And once again, it is outlined in pink. So, sweeties, last but not least, this is the category restaurants, as you can see. And so this is outlined in blue. At the top, it has a pink apple and a blue donut. And at the bottom, you got Hello Kitty dressed up in a Pusheen costume. And you have Pusheen dressed up in a Hello Kitty costume. And so also too, you see the little bottle of milk, and it has a straw for each one of them. So they sharing it, you guys. I absolutely love this envelope. So, sweeties, once again, sorry for shaking the camera. So once again, all these envelopes, beautiful envelopes. I love them all, you guys. And so these envelopes came from Cute NeNi Things. Once again, I hope I'm saying it right. And Rita, that's her name. I absolutely love everything. Thank you so much. All right, sweeties, we're going to move all this on the side. And sweeties, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to be completing this Easter Saving Challenge. So, sweeties, this Easter Saving Challenge came from Pink Uni Budgets. You guys, she has a YouTube channel and she is on Instagram and TikTok. You guys, I absolutely love her. So, sweeties, for the sake of this video not being long, I had ended up coloring the picture. And so this would have been taking me a very long time. So I just went on and did it off camera. And so I didn't, I didn't place the envelope yet. So what I'm going to do is the total amount for this particular saving challenge, it comes out to $54. So once again, I'm going to place this on the side here. And so we're going to be completing this challenge. And so I have the monies right here in this particular envelope. And so, sweeties, I'm going to place this on the side. And so let's make sure that it comes out to $54. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. All right, sweeties, that is exactly correct. I have $54. And so to make sure, I'm going to place this money on the side. And so to make sure that that's correct, I have my calculator up here, over here, excuse me. And so let's add up to make sure this whole challenge comes out to $54. So that's 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 10. That's another 5. That's a 10, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, and 3. And so, sweeties, that is correct. It came out to $54. So, sweeties, what I am going to do with this monies, I am going to, actually, you know what, sweeties? I am going to, actually, I'm going to buy me something with this money, you guys. I said to myself, I see so many nice things that I see online. And so that's what I'm going to do with this money. I am going to place this on the side in one of my Sticky Fun envelopes, but I'm going to be purchasing something for myself. All right, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you know my video uploads. And don't forget to watch all the ads during my videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, sweeties.